Now, one last thing I wanted to talk about for the drone operators, and we're not here to get in the weeds today, but I have to bring up another great value, and that's right here on this sensor map, okay? Now, I'm just gonna bring it up, and I would encourage if you're a drone operator that's got a high-end LiDAR system that and you were logging base data at 1 second epic, and I'm just role playing here, and you were operating right here in Bozeman, or you were out here by the Bridgers, or out here on the outskirts of town. And for some reason, while you were flying your drone, your base battery died. And you thought, oh man, I needed that data. Another reason why you would want to invest into the MTSRN is they have this, when I'm logged in here, it's called Ref Data Shop. And this is also applicable to GIS users that have post-processing software. And let's just say you thought there was a base running for you and it wasn't running, and now you don't have base data. You can actually click Ref Data Shop when you have subscribed, and you can start a new order. Now, mind you, and I'm going to say this twice, that way it was in the recording twice. If you read the FAQ, that data, because it's high intensity data, is only going to be available for 48 hours after you operate, not forever. So understand that. So I'm going to say it one more time for the recording. That data from Ref Data Shop is only available for you for 2 days. And so I'm saying to you, if you're going to be doing this, you get it by the next day, not 2 days, okay? Because this is a courtesy service, and it's not longer than that time frame, and it's stated in the FAQ, okay? Now, why does that have value? Because the Montana State Library and the MTSRN can just save you now by hitting start a new order. I can grab reference data from any one of those stations, so any of these stations, they're by name. But let's just say I was operating in here, or here, and it is, you want that baseline to be as short as possible. You could just go to Google Earth and figure out where that's at, or use your receiver, plug in that lat long into that interface right here. Sorry, let me get back to it. Virtual reference station. And now if I plug in my lat long at that position, it will virtualize a base there and generate static data at for you to operate. So I'll just, you can even pick on the map. So I'm just doing this fast. I'm just going to pick like right there, okay? So I thought it allows you to pick from a map. I'll just
you can drag the pointer, the red pointer.
Yes, thanks, Kazi. Right here. Oh, yes, thank you. So I'm going to put it, I'll put it like over here, see? And it's shoved in the values, right? And so then you just hit next and plug in your time frame that you want it, and that you would want 1 second data. We don't need this is not a training session, but add to your order. And that is phenomenal value to mapping people post-processing and drone operators who had a base, or if you don't own a base, now you have a base. And so I don't want to get too far in the weeds. We'd love to pull that offline, but that kind of wraps up mapping folks and drone folks, and the use of this very beautiful network provided to you by the Montana State Library, the Montana State, and the MTSRN.